In this video, we'll explore how StoneFly provides comprehensive recovery capabilities, allowing you to restore your data at different levels, from full VM recovery to guest file level and application level restores. Let's dive in and discover the flexibility and precision of the data recovery features. Our Veeam integrated solution offers you highly granular options for data recovery, allowing you to restore your data with precision and flexibility. There are three types of recovery you can perform. First, full VM recovery. This option enables you to recover an entire virtual machine from scratch using an image-level backup. It provides a comprehensive recovery solution for your VMs. Second, guest file-level recovery. With this option, you can open the backup, without restoring it, and navigate through its contents, giving you access to the guest file system. This allows you to selectively restore specific files from within the guest environment. You can restore files from your desktop, D drive, or any other location. You have the flexibility to restore these files to their original location or choose a different folder, volume, appliance, or even the cloud. Third, VM configuration file level recovery. In the event of a corrupted or lost configuration file, this recovery option allows you to restore the specific VM configuration file, ensuring the proper functioning of your virtual machine. For SQL systems, our solution integrates with Veeam Explorer, which provides purpose-built explorers specifically designed for application-level restores. You can perform granular recovery at the application level, including point-in-time restores, restoring to the latest state, and recovering other application-level items. Additionally, machine-level recovery is available for the host that is hosting the SQL database. Let's take a look at the guest file-level restore process. By right-clicking on the backup, selecting Guest File, and choosing Microsoft Windows, the backup is opened within a file explorer, resembling your Windows setup. Select the desired restore point from the list. Using the File Explorer, you can navigate the contents and locate the file you want to restore. With our Veeam-ready backup and DR solution, you have several data restore options. The Restore option allows you to restore the file to its original location. Within the Restore options, you can choose to overwrite the existing file, keep both copies, or restore the permissions only. The Restore to option allows you to restore the file to a different location. It can be your local desktop or another machine within the network. Within the Restore to option, you can choose to overwrite the existing file or keep both copies. There is also the Copy to option, which provides the flexibility to copy the file to a specific destination. In the event of a total disaster or unavailability of your production infrastructure, such as during maintenance, you can restore your operations to the public cloud. This includes AWS EC2, Azure, and Google Cloud, enabling you to restore your files to the cloud seamlessly. In summary, you have the flexibility to restore your data to the StoneFly appliance, another cluster or hypervisor within the network, or even a public cloud if needed. With these granular data recovery options, our solution empowers you to restore your data efficiently, ensuring business continuity and data resilience. Contact StoneFly to request a free Stone Fusion test drive.